Welcome to the 24th installment of Quest, Floresce. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. Floresce brings you an ethereal collection of presets and AI tools, aimed at helping you achieve a stunning light and airy aesthetic with just a few clicks. The 3 color-graded presets provide a strong base to work from, offering multiple dynamic options. You can customize your look further from there with the included AI presets. Among the 7 tools included, Ethereal gives you a transformative look by lifting brightness while retaining contrast and exposure levels. Be sure to use the skin tone modifiers to perfectly dial in your subject. Lastly, the Pastelize tools allow you to filter tonality into your background while maintaining subject and skin tone accuracy. AQ24-1, a natural, delicate, and simplistic color grade featuring sage greens, coral blues, and honey browns. AQ24-2, a dynamic variation offering a slight boost in contrast with lifted shadows and highlights. AQ24-3, a dynamic variation offering deep shadows with rich color. And for all tools included, please be sure to use the preset amount slider to dial in the perfect look.